Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to see the sixth chapter, that is angles. Okay, and what is the angles? There are three types of angles. There are three types of angles, that is acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. Okay, right angle, it is of 90 degree, a straight angle. Right angle, it is of 90 degree, a straight angle. Okay, and acute angle, less than 90 degree, that is from 0 to 89 degree, it is known as a acute angle. जो 90 डिग्री से छोटा रहता है. ओके, less than 90 degree, जो 90 degree से, if it is 89 degree also, then we will call that angle as a acute angle. Okay, that angle as a acute angle. And the obtuse angle, that is more than 90 degree. Okay, more than 90 degree, it means if it is a 91 degree also, then we will consider it as a obtuse angle only. We will not consider it as a right angle or a acute angle. क्यों छोटा सा एक 1 ही तो डिग्री बाजू में गया? No, if it is a 91 degree also, we will consider it as a obtuse angle only. Okay, this is an acute angle and obtuse angle, and this one is a right angle. Okay, now in your textbook, some timing is given through the clock, and they have asked that we have to write the angle's name. We have to write the angle's name. So now you will tell me the angle's name. Okay, the first timing is 1:30. So whether it is an acute or a obtuse angle or a right angle. Come on, write down in the chat box. Fast write down in the chat box. Okay. Okay. So what answer you all got? So the first angle we got. Okay. Before start the angles, see right angle and difference between the acute and obtuse. Acute जो है ऐसे क्लोज होते रहता है. ठीक है, एक्यूट जो है राइट एंगल से क्लोज हो रहा है, मींस बंद हो रहा है. सी ऐसे. ओके, एंड ऑब्ट्यूज जो है ऑलवेज ओपन. ओके, वो कैसा होता है? ओपन हो रहा है 90 डिग्री से. ओके, it is a difference between acute and the obtuse angle. Okay, right angle will be always at straight angle, that is a 90 degree only. Okay, okay, now start. First let me rub this. Okay, so first is a less than 90 degree or more than 90 degree. Yes, it is more than 90 degree. So in the first box you will write a obtuse angle. Second question, Yes, very good. It is a acute angle. Third, right angle. Fourth, very good. Fourth is an obtuse angle. And fifth, very good. And the last one, very good. The last one is an acute angle. Okay. Okay. So all 6 watches answer we got. Obtuse, acute, right, obtuse, right, acute. Okay. These 6 answer we got. Okay. And QR. Can you see QP is one arms and QR is the second arms? Okay. Now question number 2. Second diagram is given to you. You all can see the second diagram, that is LMN. Okay, LMN. So we will make here the diagram that is, no, not like this. It is an acute angle, no? Okay. So now you will tell me the angle of the LMN. So our answer is angle LMN, and I'm not having space, that's why I'm not writing and, I'm putting in a comma. Angle NML. Okay. And the next is, what is the vertices? Vertices of the angle LMN. Very good. It is M. Next is arms of the angle. What is the arms of the angles? So arms is M, L, this is in comma, and M, N. Okay. See student, don't get confusing angles and arms. Okay. Angles जो है, angles means जो एक हमारा angle बनता है, that is known as an angle. Okay. Arms is to join the point. See like this is an arms. Okay. जो हमारे vertices को joint करता है, that is known as the arms. So arms is always of 2 letters. Okay. Now our third question. Come on, say me the angle of angle SUT. Yes, good. It is angle. While writing angle SUT, you have to give a symbol of angle. This is a symbol of angle. Okay, there is no need to write ANGLE angle. You can give directly symbol of angle and angle SUT. उसके बाद में angle US. Okay. What is the vertices of the angle? Very good. The vertices of the angle is U. And what is the arms of the angles? Very good. US and UT. Okay. Now in practice set 25, what you have to do, you have to measure the angles, okay, with the protector. Protector means what? Some students are saying that D also, okay, protector. With that protector, you have to measure the angles and see whether the angle is more than 90° or less than 90°. Okay, if it is less than 90°, then we have to write it is an acute angle. When it is a more than 90°, then you have to write it is an obtuse angle. And if it is a 90°, then you have to write a right angle. Okay, now I am giving you 5 minutes. It is 9:42, 43. At 9:47, I will ask you fast take a protector and measure it. So our first angle is an acute angle. Those students don't know how to measure with the degree wave, with the protector. In the next lecture, I will definitely bring for you and I will show you, okay, how to measure it. But I want each and every student protector with you. So first angle is an acute angle. This is an acute angle, okay? Now second. Obtuse angle. So our second option is of obtuse angle, okay? Now third angle. Who will give me the answer of third angle? So our third question answer is right angle. Okay, so it is a 90°. That is why it is a right angle. Now fourth question. So student, fourth question answer, find out it and keep with you. Tomorrow again we will see what is the answer of this question. Okay, it is whether an acute or an obtuse. Some students are saying it is acute, some students are saying it is obtuse, and some are saying it is acute but 60°, and the other student is saying it is 82°. So tomorrow we will see what is the degree of this angle. Okay.